Hey guys, what I'd like to do is talk about switches that are used in home residential wiring. I'm going to start with single pole switches, I'm going to go into three-way switches, and then I'm going to finish up with four-way switches. This is going to be over the space of 3 videos. They're each going to be titled what the switch I'm talking about. So this one will be a single pole, and that's what the title of the video will be. The next one will be a three-way, and that's what the title of that video should be. So this video should be pretty quick. I wanted to quickly talk about some stuff with the actual switch. They are all going to kind of mimic this switch right here and how they look, but the main difference is there'll be more terminals onto those 3-ways and 4-way switches. So this one literally has one terminal here, and then it's got our ground terminal up here. So, which is the easiest way to kind of start differentiating between all these types of switches is how many terminals there actually is on the side. Okay, the one I've got right here in my hand, it's got the style where you're gonna have to actually hook the wire around and clamp it down. You may end up with one that has a nice clamp that you just get to shove the wire in. Hopefully you do. Okay, let's go ahead, and I'd like to kind of draw some of these switches up here and just talk about them for a quick second. Now, we already know about normally open, normally closed, but this one is not this one will actually stay in whatever position we put it in. So this one is going to be probably a normally open switch if you think about it, but it's kind of up to you on that one. Now, we know that there's only 2 terminals. Remember, I showed you on the side there's only 2 terminals. With a switch like this or a single pole switch, there's really not a lot happening. It's really open, closed, on or off. You know, it's letting the power go from open to closed. So if it was on, the switch would kind of roll over and it would actually touch the other one. While if it was turned off, the switch would be open like this. Okay? Pretty simple. There is a 3rd terminal. Again, that is your ground, and that is just making sure that you don't get shocked with that electricity. Now, going into the other ones, we're going to dig a lot more into this, and we're going to talk about more terminals and how things are getting switched. But this is literally on or off. That's very simple circuits, very basic circuits. These ones are probably the most popular, but when we start getting into the more advanced circuits in this module, we're going to need those other ones. So go ahead and keep moving. If you got any questions, let me know. If you guys would like to, you can take your multimeter and test these terminals, test the switch, and see how it works. That might be a good idea for the future, okay? So good luck.